Hey everyone, it's Kenjay and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a fall closet cleanup, which I'm super excited about because I like to do not only a spring cleaning, but I like to do a fall cleaning because I live in a studio apartment and my place gets super cluttered super quickly. So I have clothes literally just spilled out everywhere, and I've already actually pre-recorded a video which I'm going to show you guys of my closet, the clothes that I have that's all over my bed, and it's really honestly the best thing for me because it not only gives me more space in my house, my closet, it just gives me more peace of mind. It makes me feel a lot better. Like, I feel like not only is this a physical manifestation of just decluttering my life, but also like my mental, my emotional, and my spiritual life as well. So I want you guys to come with me in my journey of cleaning up my closet and seeing what my closet looks like. I mean, obviously you can see it's behind me, but aside from that, let's go ahead and get this video started. If you guys can see, like, I have this like rolling rack, and it's actually like 2 racks in one. So I have like this first rack, and then I have the second rack in the back, but I also have like clothes down here, and I have to use like this plastic drawers to like fit my clothes in, and it's like obviously spilling out, and I have clothes on top of here, which is like, I need to get this together. Oh, but don't you worry, I have more clothes on my bed. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, where like I have so much clothes that it's like literally my whole entire life is like spilling out on, you know, in my room. So now that I've showed you guys my cleanup process, what is super important towards the end while you are getting the things that you don't want out of your closet, I think it's important to create a yes, no, and then a maybe pile. Obviously, I don't need to make a yes pile because my yeses are gonna stay in my closet, hung up or folded. But my no and my maybes, I made 2 piles on the ground, which you'll see. You know, my no pile obviously will be getting donated, and then my maybe pile, I could either give it away to friends, keep it for like gym clothes, because I typically, if it's in my maybe pile, I'll probably be using that for for the gym or whatever. So my no pile definitely has grown, and I'm definitely going to be donating that to either an out of the closet or a Goodwill, just because I know that I don't want to throw my clothes away if I can give it away. I know that my mom always ships her clothes to the Philippines, but I ain't got time for all that. So and I don't have a lot of clothes to be shipping to the Philippines, but I will be donating those clothes over to those organizations. But you could always donate it to whichever charities that you want to donate it to. I know that we had Hurricane Maria, I think it's what it's called, Hurricane Michael, not Maria, that came through Northwest Florida, and you can donate to people there. Anything that you guys want to do, I think it's important to just be able to clean out your closet, give away the clothes that you don't need to people that actually need the clothes, and, you know, it makes the world a better place. But if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and Snapchat at simply Kenjay. And other than that, that is my video for today, you guys. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Woo.